Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can use the strike-through feature to edit your texts on Canva, like this one here in that example strike-through text. So let us guide you through this and show you two different approaches to this, guys. The first option would be, let me just remove that example text here and start all over. The first option would be to start with a completely fresh new custom text. To do that, click into the text tool here on the left toolbar, click into edit text box here. Enter your text, so let me type in something like, I don't know, test text, something like that. After that, resize your text if necessary, so let me do that really quickly. Center it or position it. And after that, guys, simply double click into your text to highlight it and apply the strike through by clicking on that button here at the top, strike through, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-S. That is going to add a strike through to your text, as you can see. So that's the first option. Let me just remove that strike through and show you option number 2, which would be simply adding a straight line as an element to your text and to customize it. So to do that, head over to the element section on the left toolbar, and after that click into shapes here, or see all, and select one of these lines here. You may go with standard line, a dotted line, an arrowed line, and so on and so forth. So let me go with a standard line here. After that, let me just move it here to the top and click into it to change its color by clicking on stroke color here, and by selecting your color. You may, for instance, go with standard black, or if you'd like to apply the same color as your text, simply click on add a new color here. Use the color picker tool here by clicking on this button and copy the text color here, just like that. In the next step, guys, you may also adjust the given lines width or thickness. To do that, click on stroke style here at the top and move that slider here to adjust its thickness. Let me set it to, let's say, 15. And after that, you may also decide whether you'd like your strike through to have rounded ends or to be dotted or aligned like this. Let me just leave it at standard black. And after that, simply left click on one of its ends to elongate it or to make it longer, just like that. And then the final step, guys, simply left click on it again to move it above or onto your text to create a custom strike through effect. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.